It's that time of year, trunk or treat time. Hey everybody, welcome to Lowrider Depot's Trunk or Treat. You can see this is a very cool event, has a good amount of cars that turn up for it. I like that they have a good solid turnout of vendors, and obviously it's a good place to come to, really off the road, so you don't have to worry about much kind of a dead end path. But yeah, this is a trunk or treat, so you come out, you bring your cars, dress your cars up, they give out candy, they have a bunch of kids here picking up stuff, and yeah, just everybody's having a good time. So we're gonna try to cover some of this for you. Check out some of the cool cars that are out, some of the cool displays, and we'll see you when after it's done. So I have to say my car of choice for today's trunk or treat is going to be that bad boy right there. It really does fit for the season that it's in. He's got the skulls on it. He's got the lighted flashing lights. The interior's, you know, a little bit beat up, but you can tell there's a ton of work put in the car, and I love the design to it. But if I'm gonna go favorite car today, it's definitely gonna be the Cayman. Lowered perfectly, perfect wheels. I love the look to it. I hope the sound isn't overbearing with it, but yeah, just that's gotta be my favorite car today. I love it. All right, that's it for me today at Lowrider Depot. I got to see some beautiful cars, and I got to get it done before my battery died. So that's a win-win in every account. So I hope you guys will check out some of these other videos we have coming up. We're gonna keep looking for car shows. We're gonna keep enjoying the community that is here. some of the awesome stuff that we see. And I mean, really, this was just an amazing setup. So thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to check out these other videos. And as always, keep on rolling. Talk to you then.